Welcome to my new video. Today, we're going to learn how to enable dark mode on your mobile phone. First, go to the settings on your phone and look for the display option. Tap on it, and you will see an option for dark mode or theme. If you see a toggle, simply turn it on to activate dark mode. On some phones, you might need to select between light and dark options. Choose dark. For those who want to schedule it, look for the dark mode schedule option and set the time for when you want dark mode to turn on automatically. And that's it? Your phone is now in dark mode, which is easier on the eyes and helps save battery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.